Good morning, everyone. This is the lecture number 34 of Engineering Thermodynamics. In last lecture, we saw the enthalpies for saturated and subcooled water, saturated steam, wet steam, and superheated steam. Today, we will see numerical based on water, saturated and subcooled water, and saturated steam. If the water is subcooled or saturated, and we want to find enthalpy, entropy, and specific volume. Suppose water is saturated or subcooled. Consider only it is a water, whether it is saturated or subcooled. And whenever we need to find enthalpy, entropy, and specific volume, either pressure or temperature should be given. Either pressure or temperature, not both. Not both. Only one. Either pressure or temperature should be given. Then from steam table we can take this value. If the liquid is given, then enthalpy of liquid is written as HF, and entropy of liquid is taken as SF, and specific volume is VF. F stands for liquid. F stands for liquid, and whatever value we are taking from the steam table will be kilojoule per kg. Will be kilojoule per kg. Enthalpy will be kilojoule per kg. Entropy will be kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and specific volume will be meter cube per kg. Since it is given per kg, these are specific enthalpy, specific entropy, and specific volume. Okay, since it is given kilojoule per kg, it is specific enthalpy. Entropy is given kilojoule per kg Kelvin. It is specific entropy. Suppose mass is given, mass of water is given. If we multiply specific properties with mass, we will get total property. Let us first of all solve the problem based on saturated and subcooled liquid. Find enthalpy, entropy, and volume. Enthalpy, entropy, and volume of 5 kg of water at 75 degrees Celsius. Now, water may be saturated water or subcooled water. It may be anything. If water is given, if it is in a liquid form, we have only one. That is, for enthalpy we will find HF, for entropy we will find SF, and for volume we will find VF. And where we supposed to find volume, not a specific volume. Now, from steam table we have already seen steam table in last lecture, and we know how to read the steam table. I have taken snapshot of steam table at 75 degrees Celsius. Look at here, temperature is given. If water is given, we want either pressure or temperature to check the properties. Here temperature is given. Therefore, we will go to the table number 1, in which first column is temperature. And we have to go for temperature 75 degrees Celsius. Temperature is given in degrees Celsius. For 75 degrees Celsius, corresponding absolute pressure is 0.3858 bar. Then values HF, HFG, HG, SF, SFG, HG, VF, and VG are given correspondingly. But it is a water. Therefore, for enthalpy we want SF, entropy we want SF, and volume we want VF, since it is a water. But 5 kg of steam is given. Look at here, specific enthalpy, unit of specific enthalpy is kilojoule per kg. It means whatever value of HF is given, 313.9, this value of HF represents 1 kg heat enthalpy for 1 kg. This value represents enthalpy for 1 kg. But we have to find enthalpy for 5 kg. Therefore, we will multiply it by 5 kg. Mass of water is given, that is 5 kg. Therefore, enthalpy of water will be enthalpy of water, that is total enthalpy of water, will be capital H. We write total enthalpy as capital H and specific enthalpy as small h. Therefore, total enthalpy will be HF into M. Therefore, 5 into, now value of HF is 313.9, and it will come out to be 1569.5 kilojoule. Look at here, the unit is kilojoule per kg and multiply by mass. Kilojoule per kg into kg will be kilojoule. Then total enthalpy will be, unit of total enthalpy will be kilojoule. Now entropy. Entropy of water, S. Entropy is written as capital S, where specific entropy is written as small s. Therefore, capital S equal to mass into SF. You have to take SF because it is a liquid. Mass is 5 and value of SF is 1.015. Then the multiplication will be 5.075. Look at here, unit is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Multiply by mass, then kg will get cancelled. Kilojoule per Kelvin. Volume of water. We have to calculate volume of water. We know the specific volume of a liquid. Vf is a specific volume of liquid and unit is meter cube per kg. We want to calculate volume. Volume is a total volume, not a specific volume. Therefore, it is written as capital V. Capital V is equal to M into Vf. M is 5 and Vf is 0.001026. 0.001026. And is coming out to be 0.00513. Its unit is meter cube per kg and its unit is kg. Therefore, the unit of volume will be meter cube. Unit of volume will be meter cube. Next problem. Find enthalpy, entropy and volume of 4 kg of water. Find enthalpy, entropy and volume of 4 kg of water at 5 bar. In last problem, temperature was given for water. In this problem, pressure is given. In this problem, pressure is given instead of temperature. Mass of water is 4 kg. Again, mass of water is 4 kg. We need to calculate enthalpy, entropy and volume. Means these are total enthalpy, total entropy and total volume because mass is given. From steam table at 5 bar. From steam table at 5 bar. I have taken snapshot of steam table for 5 bar. For pressure, we have to go for table number 2 and we have to check for pressure 5 bar. Table number 2 represents, in table number 2, first column is pressure. It means you will get value related to the 5 bar pressure. Now at 5 bar, temperature is 151.8. Means this is a saturation temperature at 5 bar. Means water pressure is a 5 bar, then water will boil at 151.8 degrees Celsius. But we don't have to consider temperature because we have to calculate enthalpy, entropy and volume. But whenever temperature given adjacent to the pressure, it is a saturated temperature. Mass of water is given 4 kg. Enthalpy of water, that is total H, capital H. Total enthalpy is equal to M into HF. Since it is a water, we will take HF for enthalpy, SF for entropy and VF for volume. And for total, we will multiply by M. We will multiply by M. Mass is 4 kg. HF is 640.1 and it is coming to be 2560.4 kilojoule. In unit of enthalpy kilojoule per kg, unit of mass kg, kg will get cancelled and unit will be kilojoule. Similarly, entropy. Entropy of water, capital S is equal to M into small sf. M is 4 kg, small sf is 1.8604. 1.8604. It is coming out to be 7.4416 kilojoule per Kelvin. Unit of entropy is kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Since we are multiplying with the mass, kg will get cancelled, it will be kilojoule per Kelvin. Next, total volume. Volume of water, that is V. Capital V is equal to M into Vf. Value of Vf is 0.001093. Therefore, M is of 4, Vf is 0.001093. Multiplication is 0.004373. Unit of Vf is meter cube per kg. kg will get cancelled and unit will remain meter cube. Find specific enthalpy. Look at here, I am writing specific enthalpy. Specific enthalpy represents, you have to calculate enthalpy for 1 kg. Okay. Specific enthalpy, specific entropy and specific volume of saturated steam at 95 degrees Celsius. First of all, look at formula for saturated steam. Saturated steam. For saturated steam, at given pressure or temperature, either pressure or temperature, both will not be given, either pressure will be given or temperature will be given if the steam is saturated. Then for enthalpy, we have to take Hg from steam table. For entropy, we have to take Sg from steam table. For specific volume, we have to take Vg from steam table. We have to find specific enthalpy, specific entropy and specific volume of saturated steam at 95 degrees Celsius. Now from steam table at 95 degrees Celsius, I have taken snapshot of steam table at 95 degrees Celsius. At 95 degrees Celsius, since steam is saturated, for enthalpy we will take Hg, for entropy we will take Hg, and for specific volume we will take Vg. Therefore, specific enthalpy H is equal to Hg, which is 2668.1 kilojoule per kg. Here mass is not given. Therefore, whatever enthalpy, entropy and specific volume will be corresponding to the 1 kg. And whenever it is corresponding to the 1 kg, we write it as specific properties. Therefore, enthalpy of saturated steam is Hg, and at 95 degrees Celsius, Hg is equal to 2668.1. Then specific entropy at 95 degrees Celsius, Hg 7.416 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Then specific volume of saturated steam is Vg, which is equal to 1.982 meter cube per kg. Now same problem we can solve for pressure also. In this problem, temperature is given for saturated steam. Instead of temperature, if the pressure is given, we can take corresponding values at pressure. Problem number 4, find specific enthalpy, specific entropy and specific volume of saturated steam at 3.5 bar. From steam table at 3.5 bar, okay, should be bar. For saturated steam, property at 3.5 bar, I have taken snapshot of steam table at 3.5 bar. At 3.5 bar, corresponding values of enthalpy, entropy and volume are given. For saturated steam, we have to take Hg and Vg. Specific enthalpy H is equal to Hg, 2731.6 kilojoule per kg. Specific entropy S is equal to Hg, which is equal to 6.9392 392 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Specific volume V. Whenever we write specific, we use small letters. V is equal to Vg, 0.524 meter cube per kg, 0.524 meter cube per kg. Okay, we saw problems based on liquid and saturated vapor, liquid and saturated steam. Now we will see problem based on wet steam. Whenever steam is wet, dryness fraction should be given. If it is not given, we have to calculate dryness fraction first. Okay, for wet steam also either pressure or temperature should be given, not both. Either pressure or temperature should be given, and x should be given. Value of x is compulsory. Value of x is compulsory because we have to use value of x in the formula. If the steam is wet and value of x is not given, then we need to calculate value of x first. Now, how to identify steam is a wet? Either dryness fraction will be given in the problem, or to calculate dryness fraction will be asked. How to identify steam is a wet? Either dryness fraction of a steam will be given, or in the problem it will be asked to calculate dryness fraction. It is sufficient to understand steam is wet. Now for wet steam, formula of enthalpy is HF plus X HFG. Entropy SF plus X SFG. Specific volume VF plus X VFG. These are also specific enthalpy and entropy. I have not written here. Means whenever we have to calculate enthalpy of wet steam, add HF and X HFG. Then for entropy, SF plus X SFG. V is equal to, specific volume is equal to VF plus X VFG. Find specific enthalpies, specific entropy and specific volume of a steam at 80 degrees Celsius and 0.95 dryness fraction. Look at here. Dryness fraction is given. Dryness fraction is X. Whenever value of dryness fraction is given, the steam is wet. Now, for wet steam, either pressure or temperature should be given. In this problem, temperature is given. Solution: from steam table at 80 degrees Celsius, go to here temperature is given, therefore go to the table number 1. In table number 1, go for the temperature 80 degrees Celsius. Corresponding to 80 degrees Celsius, you will get respective properties: enthalpy, entropy and volume, specific volume. Therefore, specific enthalpy of wet steam is given as H is equal to HF plus X HFG. H is equal to HF plus X HFG. This is the formula for wet steam. Now HF is 334.9 plus X is 0.95 and HFG is 2308.8. Now its calculation will be 2528.26 kilojoule per kg. Now specific entropy formula is S is equal to SF plus X SFG. SF is 1.075, X 0.95 and SFG 6.537, and its calculation is 7.28515 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Then specific volume formula V is equal to VF plus X VFG. VF plus X VFG. Now in steam table, look at here, the formula is VF plus X VFG. In steam table, value of Vf and Vg is given. In steam table, value of Vf and Vg is given. Vfg is not given. But for enthalpy, Hfg is given. Entropy, Sfg is given. But for specific column, only Vf and Vfg is given. Sorry, Vf and Vg is given. Vfg is not given. And we know that Vfg is equal to sum of, difference of Vg and Vf. Therefore, formula will be modified as Vf plus, this x will be as it is, Vfg is equal to Vg minus Vf. Therefore, value of Vf is 0.001029 plus 0.95. Then Vg is 3.407 minus 0.001029. And it is coming out to be 3.1267 meter cube per kg. Understood? Value of Vfg is not mentioned in the steam table. Therefore, Vfg is written as Vg minus Vf. Okay. Next problem. Find enthalpy for specific enthalpy, specific volume, and specific entropy of steam at 1.5 bar and 0.9 dryness fraction. Again, dryness fraction is given. It means steam is wet. But in this problem, instead of temperature, pressure is given. Therefore, we will go to table number 2. We will go to steam table, table number 2, in which first column is given for pressure. First column is given for pressure. Pressure is 1.5 bar, and these are the corresponding values. Specific enthalpy. The formula is HF plus X HFG. Now, at 1.5 bar, HF is equal to 467.1, 467.1, X is 0.9, then HFG 2262.2, then it is coming out to be 2533.86 kilojoule per kg. Then specific entropy. Formula is S equal to SF plus X SFG. At 1.5 bar, SF is equal to 1.4336. 1.4336 plus 0.9 into SFG is 5.7898. 5.7898. It is coming out to be 6.6444 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Then specific volume at 1.5 bar. The value of Vf and Vg is given. Vf and Vg are given. The formula for specific volume of wet steam is Vf plus X Vfg. Since Vfg is not given in the steam table, Vfg we have to write in Vg minus Vf form. Vfg is equal to Vg minus Vf. Therefore, we have modified formula as Vf plus X Vg minus Vf. And the corresponding values are 0.001053 plus 0.9 into 1.159 minus 0.001053, and it is coming out to be 1.0432 meter cube per kg.